Assalamu alaikum students. So we are doing maths now. It's our maths time, and in maths we've been doing units, tens and hundreds, right? So let's do an activity today. Okay, first we do an activity. Now this activity is given in your book on page number 4. Page number 4. You know what is the activity? Let me read it to you. So you need matchsticks and you need rubber bands. Okay? Then what you need to do? Make bundles of tens, each having 10 matchsticks tied together. So you need to take matchsticks like these pencils. Take matchsticks, count up to 10. Count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And make a bundle like this. Tie them together like this and make a bundle. Here you have a bundle. Now what to do? Listen carefully what you need to do. Choose a number between 10 and 99. Think of a number between 10 and 99. Then show your number by placing the right number of bundles in the 10 boxes and matchsticks in the unit boxes. So if you make 2 bundles, and then you can say my number is 22. So you have 2 bundles, 1 10 and 2 10 makes 2 20s and 2. Right? So this is 22. This is what you need to do. So if you say my number is 15, so 110 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 110 and 5 is 15. Right? So think of a number, collect that many matchsticks, and then write that number in this red box. In this box, red. So I write 15 here. Then I collect 110 and 5 pencils. Make that 15. I put it in front of me. And then I write 15 here in this box. So in 15, how many tens we have? 110. So where is 10? Here on the left. So 10 is always on the left. 10 is always on the left. Raise your left hand. Here, your left hand. So 10 is always on the left. And what is the sign of 10? T. Here. T. So write 1 here. And what is unit? Unit is U. U. And unit is always on the, what is this hand? Right hand. Right hand. Here. So you write 5 here. That makes it 15. Ta-da! Now you can rub this number 15 here. And you can do 22 like I did. Or maybe 23. 110. 210 and 3, 23. So you wrote 23 here, then you collected 2 10s and 3 23, and then you rub 15 and write 23. So how many 10s? 2 10s. So write 2 here on this side. And how many units? 3. So write 3 on that side. Got it? This is the activity you need to do today. And once you have done with this activity, जब आप ये activity कर लें, then we go to another activity. Are you ready? Okay. Now look very carefully. We have a bouquet here. Okay, a bouquet, and it has 10 flowers, and each one has 10 petals. So 10 is 100. 10 is 100. Good. Now remember, 10 is 100. You remember how we write 100? 1, 0 and 0. In 100h there is 1. In tens there is 0. And then in units there is 0. So that is 100. And then we add one more flower to it. So this flower has 10 petals. Okay? So one flower with 10 petals. So 100 petals plus 10 petals, that becomes 110. 110. Under 100 we write 1. Under 10 we write 1. And under unit we write 0. 110. And then we have one petal here. One petal. So 110 plus one more unit, 110. So what that becomes? 110 and 1. 100 and, so when we have 10 and 1, that is 11. 10 and 1 is 11. So what it becomes? 111. 111. Very good. Wow, isn't that interesting? So when we have 100 and then we add some tens, maybe 110 or 2 tens. So if 110 is added to 100, that is 110. If 2 tens are added to 100, that is 120. If 3 tens are added to 100, that is 130. Very good. And then if we add something more unit to it, that becomes 111. If we add 2 more units to 110, that becomes 112. If we add 3 units to 110, that becomes 113. Now you draw this. You draw 110, you draw 111, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You draw that many things. इतनी चीज़ें आप draw करें कॉपी में, और ये नंबर 110 से लेके 120 तक अपनी कॉपी में लिखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.